The elusive middle class. Barbecues and baseball games, even the odd vacation and homeownership were all hallmarks of the middle class. From its emergence after World War II to its current decline. Once a symbol of economic stability and progress, today it seems more like a mirage. We're diving into this controversial topic, why there's essentially no middle class anymore, just varying levels of poor. Buckle up, folks, this isn't your everyday finance talk. The economic landscape. But before we jump to conclusions, let's paint a picture of the economic landscape. It's no secret that the gap between the wealthy and the poor has been widening. The rich are getting richer, the poor are getting poorer, and the middle class, well, they're struggling to tread water. The middle class paradox. You might ask, what's going on? Well, the story is layered. For starters, wages haven't kept up with inflation. The cost of living keeps rising, but income, not so much. In other words, the middle class is earning middle class wages, but living a working class life. The wealth transfer. Next, we have wealth transfer. Here's a chilling fact. A small fraction of the population holds the majority of the wealth. And as this wealth gets passed down generations, the divide only gets wider. The shifting job market. And then there's the shifting job market. Automation, digitization, offshoring, the gig economy, all these factors are reshaping the work landscape, and not necessarily in favor of the middle class. The illusion of the middle class. So what do we end up with? Well, a society where middle class is more of an illusion than a reality. A society where you're either making it or just making do, where the gap between a comfortable lifestyle and just getting by isn't a vast chasm, but a thin, blurry line. But hey, don't lose heart. This doesn't mean you throw in the towel. No, you adapt. You learn, you innovate, you become a wolf in sheep's clothing. We take control of our financial destinies. Because no matter what label society throws at you, what truly matters is your resilience, your adaptability, and your relentless pursuit of better. While many will fall short, the very fact you are watching this channel right now has already provided you with a significant advantage. And remember, being poor or rich is not just about money, it's a state of mind. So let's discuss this. What are your thoughts on the vanishing middle class? How can we bridge the wealth gap? Comment below. Let's get this conversation started.